Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. Yes, it's been a minute since I uploaded. Yes, it happens a lot. No, I don't want to talk about it. That's that. I am finally back on the YouTube after a million years. How's it going? Missed you guys. Can we talk about the fact that we are almost at 4,000 subscribers? What? Like, who am I? Who am I? I can't even believe it. Anyways guys, welcome back. In today's video I am going to be first impression. I'm not really going to review it. I'm just going to do a first impression slash do an eye look with it, because I can't really review it fully because I haven't tried it yet. So like I said, this is just going to be like my first initial thoughts of it and how it applies, stuff like that. And yeah, you're probably like, what are you talking about? Like, what are you talking about? In today's video I am going to be trying out, sorry, it's kind of mirrored in the lights, so I'm gonna try to blind you, the Life's a Drag palette by Lunar Beauty, which is, as you know, is Manny MUA, his makeup line that he just launched. This is his first product, which is a palette, which I'm all about eyeshadow palettes, so I'm all about it. Yeah, so I'm going to be kind of first impression thoughts and doing an eye look with it today. So yeah. So yeah guys, if you want to see my thoughts on this palette and the look that I create, then please keep watching. This is the carton that it comes in, and I've already opened it and looked at it, but I haven't swatched it yet, so it's fine. This is the palette right here. Looks like this. It's super pretty. I love how like when you shift it, it has like the whole rainbow vibe to it. I love this eye look that he did for the packaging. I will say, first thoughts on the packaging, it is a lot bigger than I expected. When you look at it on camera, to me it doesn't come across that big, but like it's like almost two of my heads. It's huge. Like, this is my hand. I don't know if you can even realize how like meaty this palette is. Like, it's meaty. So yeah, so that's my first thoughts on the palette. I think it's super cute. It's super large. And then you open it, and inside we have the beautiful palette. I'm gonna fold the mirror back just because I don't want to blind you, because I got shadow on me. So this is what the brush down. Palette, you obviously get the colorful side, the two shimmers, and then your neutral side. I liked that he, especially for his first palette, that he came out with something that could be used for any client that wanted either neutrals or they wanted to play with color. You have every option here to do that. So I really appreciate that he came out, especially like I said with his first launch. Yeah, this yellow is, all of these colors are calling my eye, like the whole colorful palette, like the colorful side of this is calling my name. So that's probably what I'm gonna do today, is like most people who do like look at this palette and I can't even like keep it in the frame, it's so big. Most people that use this palette, they go for these when they do the look, because they're like, why wouldn't I go for color when you have this big palette and you have all these colors? Debate if I want to swatch them or not. I really just kind of want to go in and put them on my eyes. So yeah. So far, first impressions of the inside, I like how around the shadows all this is like gold glitter. And then the mirror is super cute. So yeah, if you want to see what look I create, then yeah, we're gonna dive right into Life's a Drag palette with priming my eyes with my Laura Mercier Flawless Fusion Concealer. So how have you guys been? I know it's been a minute. I know I've been MIA, like, there's just so much mentally going on in my mind right now that I feel like if I get on camera, I'm not gonna be like what I'm supposed to be. You know what I mean? Like the standard of YouTube nowadays is so, I feel like unrealistic, or not unrealistic, but just like It used to be all about just sitting down, talking to your subscribers, and like having fun and just chillaxing. And now I feel like it's like you have to have the most clickbait thumbnail, you have to do crazy shit, you have to like stir drama up before like you can get any kind of views. This is the brush that comes with it. It says Lunar Beauty. It's a double-ended brush. I'm just gonna use this, the bigger side right here, and I'm gonna go in with Cake Face, the white shade in there, and I'm gonna kind of press that down and set my lid so there's not too much kickback. I'm just gonna use translucent powder. I'm not liking how that feels. Like, I don't know if it's the brush or the shadow, but it feels like it's like not setting it properly, so I'm gonna use my Laura Mercier translucent powder. So I'm actually gonna go in with Kiki or Kai Kai, however you say it, that like mint teal color, and I'm gonna take it on the brush that it comes with, and I am going to, what am I gonna do? I was gonna do cut crease type vibes, but I'm thinking a different route. Okay, so let me zoom in so you can see what's going on. Ooh. And I have a pimple right here and right here, so just ignore it. So I'm gonna pack that on the outer corner. So I'm gonna go in with my Sigma E40, my go-to for like everything brush. I'm gonna dip back into that Kai Kai, Kiki, whatever, and going to blend that in the outer corner. Pretty sure this was the shade that was meant to be more of a soft color. It wasn't meant to be like a super intense color, so I'm not mad that it's gonna be more subtle. I kind of actually like that it's more subtle, so it's almost acts as like a pretty transition color for like colorful looks. I am kind of experiencing some kickback. I don't know if you can see with Kai Kai. But I think it's because I'm kind of putting my brush in because I want more product. I kind of got it into the other colors. With his brush, the packing end, I'm going to take Fishy right here. And I'm just packing that on the outer and inner corner. Go in with Pageant Queen, which is the purple up here. Do you know where this looks going? Because I don't. But we're gonna go with it. I'll try taking this brush and blending. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to put a little bit of concealer on the center of my halo eye. This is just the Maybelline Age Rewind. And I'm going to kind of just blend that out. I just want to add a little bit extra concealer right there to make my colors pop in the center. I went with Kai Kai, which is the hot pink color. And Manny said this does have certain dyes in it that could be hard to take off, so that's just a warning. Ooh, wow. I think I want to add Beat on top of that pink. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know if I want to do that. I'm just going to go for it. Beat is that top shimmer shade right here. I think I'm going to add a little bit of that to the center of it. Alright, so I'm going to zoom in a little closer. So, this is all I'm going to do to the top of the lids. I'm going to go do the rest of my makeup off camera, and then I'm going to come back and I'm going to come back and I'm going to do liner and lashes off camera, gonna come back, do my full face, or actually I'm gonna do my full face and then come back and then we'll chat about like my thoughts and stuff, okay? Alright, I'll be right back. Alright guys, I am back looking much better than what I started this video looking like because I look like a hot mess. But yeah, so I did liner, lashes, and then I did my face. Now I wanted to come back on camera and show you me doing my bottom lashes. So I decided I'm going to go in with Campy, which is this bright yellow shade right here. I just knew that I had to do something with this yellow, so I was like, why not pop it on the bottom? Oh wow. I was worried it'd be one of those yellows that like didn't show up that much that you had to like really pack on there. Which for whatever reason I find happening in a lot of like yellow eyeshadows. I don't know why. I don't know if they're harder to develop in the lab, but so far I like how this one is applying. Much better. So I'm taking my Marc Jacobs eyeliner. I'm just going to kind of run that on the outer corner. Yeah. I need a little bit of that. Guys, that is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Yeah, so I'm going to give you kind of a quick rundown of my thoughts of the palette as I used it and blended it and how I feel. So, as for the colors, let's start with the inside. The colors, I think he did a really good job. Kiki, on the other hand, was a little lackluster in the sense that it didn't perform like the other mattes did, but he did explain in the video that that was not what it was meant for, that it was meant for more of like a sheer wash of that color. So it wasn't, you know, I would have wished that it was more like intense, but it still nonetheless looks beautiful, like I said, as a transition color in the video for other colors, other blues that you want to do. I was really happy with Campy, which is the yellow. I was happy with it because I've been on the hunt for a really good yellow eyeshadow that didn't, where I didn't feel like I had to pack on a lot of it to like see the payout that I wanted. And with this one, I didn't have to do that. I could just pack it on and it was good to go. So yeah, only one I didn't use of the colors was Snatched, which I can't wait to use. So yeah, overall I like the colors. The formula itself is really nice. Like I said, I haven't even touched the neutral side yet, but I'm sure I will because I'm not always going to do all this. And then I used Beat. That one was super frosty. I love that one. Legendary I didn't get to play with, but let's swatch it just to see. Ooh, that's super pretty. Yeah. See if you can see that. Overall, I'm really impressed with this palette. The packaging itself, like I said, I like the design of the packaging. Do I wish it wasn't so bulky? Yes. I think there could have been a way to, I mean, it feels like heavy, like it feels like you're paying, like you're getting your money's worth for what you're paying for it. It's $45. Just, to me, I can't imagine traveling with this because of how bulky it is unless I like wrapped it up really nice. I would have just liked to see something a little bit more condensed and not so like thick. That being said though, most important to me is like what's on the outside, and he did include a mirror in it, which I can really appreciate. So yeah, overall I think he did a really good job for his first launch. I was skeptical because I know so many beauty YouTubers are coming out with brands nowadays, so I was skeptical for his first launch to be something that, you know, we've all seen before, something neutral. He killed it, came out with some colors. I really appreciate that. So yeah, if you like this video, please make sure you give it a thumbs up. It really helps my content out. And yeah, let's get to 4,000 subscribers and keep pushing. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can be a part of this family and you can help us get to 4,000. You can be a part of the 4,000 with us. And I think that is all I want to say for today's video. I love you guys so much. You have a great day or night wherever you are. Leave a comment down below on how you feel about the palette and your thoughts. I'd love to hear it. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!